everyone, Merry Christmas. Today's video I'm getting some cleaning done before all of the festivities start, so I will jump straight into it. I've also got some very festive cleaning products to use, so some Christmas tree sponges, a gingerbread man minky, some cranberry and orange Zoflora. This is my favourite. This hand soap, which was from Home Bargains. We've got the Cif winter warmer cleaner, and this Fabulosa foamer, which is really good for cleaning the sinks. So I'm starting off in the kitchen and I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces. I also have a little helper in this part of the video. Archie wanted to help me do some sorting and cleaning. He also really loves to be in videos, so he is just sorting out some of the things for the hot chocolate station. I love this Cif cleaner on the hob. I feel like it gives it such a nice shine. And I've just got Archie organising all of the quality streets, so he's just putting them all into different colour sections because that's how he wanted to do it, and just deciding which ones were his favourite. Personally for me, I like the orange and strawberry ones best. I don't like any that have got the nuts in, but yeah, I like the strawberry and orange fondants are my favourite.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas.
I'd never used this Fabulosa foam for the sink, but it smells so nice. You have to like put hot water on it, leave it for 15-20 minutes or so, and then you can rinse it out. And yeah, it definitely makes the sink and the plug hole and everything smell really nice.
I was to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration.
I always give the kitchen mats a little shake outside before I hoover around everywhere. I just feel like that is just the easiest way to get all the crumbs off of them.
Stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding.
Then I've just got my Zoflora in with some hot water to mop the floors. I love the scent of this. It just smells so nice and Christmassy and warm around the house. And I also put some in the sink as well in some hot water. into my bedroom, which just always looks like a teenager's room. I'm struggling at the minute for space. I've got a lot of things in the wardrobe, as I'm sure a lot of you can relate this time of year. So yeah, it's just bursting at the seams with things. So I'm just looking forward to after Christmas having a little bit of storage space back. So I'm just going to make the bed. And I have on some bedding that I bought from Argos, which is like a furry bedding. And honestly, one of the best purchases I've made. Is so soft, but it's not too hot or anything. It's like a really nice fluffy material, but yeah, it's just perfect for this weather. And then I'm going to spray it with some of my favourite Febreze spray that again is in like a wintry festive scent. It smells really, really nice. And then I'm just going to organise my desk, put everything away, give everything a dust and wipe down, and then hoover up. And that's the bedroom generally tidy for a little bit until I get ready for the day again.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me. Tell me, can you feel it? There is loving in the air. No more feeling lonely or in despair. We give out the presents, they keep coming back for more. No one should be sad or left alone. Nothing matters more than being here with you. I give up all I have to show you that my love is true.
Then into Dylan and Archie's room. Some of these decorations have just seen better days now. I've just knocked off some of the snow there. Yes, this is the thing with their room. I do it all Christmassy, but yeah, sometimes by the time we get to Christmas time, some of it is looking a little bit raggedy. But it's still looking good. It's still looking nice and festive. So I'm just making their beds, putting any clothes away and wiping everywhere down again. And yeah, just general tidy up.
Everybody's smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me.
You might notice a little fan next to Archie's bed on a stool. He just finds that really helps him get to sleep, having the fan directed at his face at night time still. Even with the cold weather, he still loves to have the fan on at night time. So yeah, that tends to be on for a little bit before, and then when he falls asleep, I'll go in and switch it off.
My hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Then into the living room. I've got the biggest iced coffee that I am just loving making iced coffees at the moment. I had like chocolate sauce in it as well. It's like a very indulgent one, and it was huge just to keep me going over the Christmas period. I'm definitely having a lot more caffeine. I've just diluted some Zoflora in some hot water to rub on the sofa. I just really like the scent of this, like I say, and it just, for me, I like using it on the cushions and things, and I'll just give them a little wipe down. So I'm just going to make the sofa much tidier. I have hoovered underneath all the cushions recently, so I didn't need to do that, thank God, because I hate doing that job, but it always gets like covered in feathers and fluff off all the cushions. So yeah, I'm just tidying it all up, and I have got way too many cushions on there. Lots of festive Christmassy cushions.
Tell me what you want do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with.
And then I'm just again going over everything with this winter warmer spray, making it all dust free and just sort of tidying around everywhere, moving Christmas cards and straightening everything up and getting all the bits off the floor because there's just always glitter and everything everywhere. But yeah, this is my absolute favourite room at Christmas time in the house. Like, it just feels so cozy. I love the fact that I've got all the fairy lights in here, and I genuinely will be really sad when I take it all down because it's just been so nice in the evenings to have that sort of cozy feel and to have the tree in the corner with its twinkly lights. Like, I just love it so much. So I will be really sad when it all goes.
Giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
It's my favorite part of it all. When you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied, Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. Does this come true?
So there you go, just a little bit of cleaning before all the Christmas fun starts. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this little video, and I wish you the most merry of Christmases, and I would absolutely love to see you again for my next video. Take care everyone, bye.
The year may be hard to come by, so right now